Hi everyone, I thought I would pop on and just show you a quick flip through of the slightly bigger journal that I've been working on. As you know, I normally work on mainly mini journals, but I decided to do this one that's a little bit bigger. So this is the journal. Just going to do a little flick through. I won't show everything because I'm going to pop this in my Etsy shop. And I think it's nice to leave a few bits and pieces there that are going to be a surprise. So as you can see, there's lots of writing space. I've tried to do something on most of the pages so that there's a little bit, there's plenty of room to write around. I like to leave lots of room in my journals for people to write in. I won't show all the bits of ephemera that are tucked in, because as I say, I do like to leave some surprises. So this is kind of mainly neutral colours. So you could make the theme anything that you wanted to make it, really. If you're just writing in it as a daily journal, it'd be perfect. If you wanted to use it as a reading journal or something like that, be great. So yeah, it could be used for anything. This is just a little mini little flip notebook that I made. I really like doing those out of scraps. So that is the last signature. So as you can see, it's all complete now. I may just add one or two extra little touches in there, but on the whole, it's done. So I'm going to pop it in my Etsy shop and hopefully somebody will buy it and enjoy it. Thank you ever so much for watching this, and I will catch you all again very soon. Bye for now.